Hey guys, as important as it is to have a morning routine, it's also really important to have an evening one as well. So today I'm going to show you my personal evening routine and how easy it can actually be. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I release a new video. So before I start, I just want to say that morning and evening routines, it don't have to be much. You don't have to have a million things in there. You don't have to say, right, every night I'm going to do yoga and then I'm going to meditate and then I'm going to read a book and then I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do that, and have this big massive list before you go to bed. Like, I'd actually advise against doing that, especially when you're first starting out, because the most important thing than anything else when doing an evening routine is to be able to do the routine consistently on a daily basis. And the main reason to having this routine is not to get you to do loads of different things, starting to read, starting to do this, starting to do that. It's basically to help you to go to bed at the same time every night, go to sleep at the same time every night, and be able to wind down from the day. Forget about your worries, forget about your troubles, forget about the hard stuff that's happened, and just allow yourself to relax and have a good night's sleep, because ultimately that's the most important thing. So in my routine, in my personal routine, I have very few things. I'm usually very tired. It's been a long day. I don't want to do a lot at all, and so I don't. I've tried doing loads of stuff. I tried doing meditating once. I tried doing other stuff, and it just wasn't for me. I don't like doing it at night time. I like to be able to just relax. So I make it as easy as I can for myself and as enjoyable as I can, because I don't always enjoy what I'm doing throughout the day. Sometimes I'm doing some boring stuff, and it gives me something to look forward to at the end of the day as well. So basically my evening routine consists of something like, when I'm done in my office, when I'm done in this room, I make sure it's clean, so the next day I come in, I'm not like, oh, it's a mess everywhere. I like it to be relatively clean, and then I'll go lay on my bed and I'll watch something like YouTube or something similar, and I'll watch that for about an hour. Then I'll brush my teeth, I'll floss, I'll get my clothes ready for the next day, and then I'll get in bed. And that's it. That's my that's my evening routine. I don't do anything fancy. I never feel like doing anything fancy. I'm too tired to want to learn. I just want to be able to relax. I just want to wind down. I don't want to be thinking about what I've done in the day or what I've got to do tomorrow. I just want to enjoy myself so I can get a good night's sleep. Because the main thing for me, and the main thing for everybody, main thing about having an evening routine, is to go into bed on time. It's going to sleep on time, and it's getting enough sleep to be ready for the day ahead. Because out of anything, that is the most important thing. That's it for today, guys. Start your evening routine, make it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.